There are 4 wheels on your lawnmower. The wheel is made up of a hard plastic wheel and a soft plastic tire. Over time, the tire tread can wear down, allowing the wheel to slip, especially on wet grass. Replacing the wheel is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old wheel from the lawnmower. I'll prop the lawnmower up with a piece of 2x4. The wheel is held in place with a shoulder bolt and a nut on the inside of the deck. I'll secure the nut with a wrench and use my impact driver to remove the bolt. Now I can install the new wheel. I'll insert the shoulder bolt through it, add the washer to the back side, and secure it with a nut. And again, I'll tighten it up with the impact driver and a wrench. And that's all it takes to install a new wheel on your lawnmower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.